Okay, time for a quiz. Okay, create a template that when provided with the variable n, prints Fizzbuzz up to n. Now, what is Fizzbuzz? Fizzbuzz is a little programming test that's easy to, it's a quick way to see if somebody actually knows how to program simple things or not. Basically, when you do Fizzbuzz, I want you to follow this logic. If n is divisible by 3, I want you to print fizz. If n is divisible by 5, I want you to print buzz. And if n is divisible by 3 and 5, I want you to print Fizzbuzz. And if it's not divisible by 3 or 5, just print the number. Let me show you what this will look like when it's working. Okay, so here is a working Fizzbuzz app. I'm just going to ask you to paste in the template for Fizzbuzz, but here's what it looks like. So if we were to say Fizzbuzz of n equals 100, this is what it would print. 1, 2, 3 is divisible by 3, so we print fizz. 5 is divisible by 5, so we print buzz. 4 is neither. 6 is 3, so we print fizz. Come down to here to 15, we print Fizzbuzz. So as you can see, anything divisible by 3 or 5 prints fizz or buzz, both fizz and buzz, and if it's neither, it just prints the number. And the source that we generated looks like this. I use an ordered list, and then I'm just printing list elements for each value as we count up to n is 100. And you can see n equals 100 down here. The handler that I'm using looks something like this. I just added this to the end of the file we've been working in. I made a new URL called Fizzbuzz, which uses Fizzbuzz handler, which is defined here, which inherits from handler. And it gets n from the request, defaulting to 0, converts it to an integer. N and int n is the same as basically saying if n equals int n. And then we're rendering Fizzbuzz HTML, passing in n equals n. What I want you to do for this quiz is generate fizzbuzz.html. And once you've got that working, I'd like you to paste it here. Okay, good luck.